Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit more fun because I'm going to be letting my boyfriend do my makeup. Wish me luck. So this is my boyfriend Ed.
Hello.
We've been together for like
2.5.
Yeah.
2.5 years.
Sure. It's too long, guys. Like every second is hell. I'm only joking. Yeah, we've been together for 2.5 years now, and he has no experience with makeup apart from watching my videos, which I force him to do.
Like, share and subscribe.
Yes, flex. So he's gonna be having a go at doing my makeup, and yeah, he's going to be doing a full face, which is why I've got no makeup on today. Yeah, this is gonna look awful. We're gonna break up and I'm gonna have to take all of our furniture and keep our flat and just kick him out, basically. So, you know,
I didn't agree to this.
win-win. Win-win. I may look awful, but at least I'll have a nice house.
I mean, you know, we pay rent, right?
And with that, let's jump right in.
Do you remember when you wouldn't go out without eyebrows on?
Yeah. I still won't go out without eyebrows on. But I might start. Work.
Mistakes were made. What have I done?
So I feel like this is more of a club look because we've got quite a dark brown. Is that what you're going for?
Yep. Yes.
Because in the club, I hear the lighting allows for a more extreme look. Okay, so I guess now you want to kind of try and fix these a little, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't break my brushes, I will break you.
Now we're gonna carve out them brows.
Yes! Work!
Shut up.
Happy?
No.
Happy with your work?
No.
Do you love me still? Okay, now that you've done the brows, we need to do the rest of my face. So this is kind of, no, pull it. And then just squirt a little on the sponge. No. Pointy bit. There. And then dab it all over my face. Specifically in my T-zone.
I'm confused.
It's so real. No. No, the waste of product. Why? Oh no. Okay, go on. You're covering what you're doing. You're not built for this. No, don't rub, just dab. Yeah. That technique. Don't, you'll aerate it. No. For those of you who don't know, don't ever do stuff like that to your products because the air will get in and it'll make it go bad quicker. And in my forehead here. So, yeah. Yes. Okay. Well done. Now blend with the sponge. But yeah, your products like your concealer, your mascara, anything that's like wand, don't pump it. It's actually looking pretty good. I am just looking in a viewfinder. I haven't seen myself in a mirror yet. But honestly, I was expecting worse, guys. So the next thing we need to do is contour to make my face look less chubs. So we need some bronzer. Bronzer. Bronze?
One eternity later.
Want it to be defined along my, yeah, not like all the, not all down my face though. Like, think it through. You got this. I believe in you.
I don't know what.
I believe in you. Just try and make my face look thin.
Look in your cheeks. There, I did it.
Shit. You use that's enough. Look at my little bronzer. He's just decimated it. Look at all of the powder fall out. Okay, so now I think it's time to really scare him and let him do some eyeshadow. Okay, so we're going to be using my new favourite palette, the Revolution, Makeup Revolution Birds of Prey Feather.
Makeup Revolution London.
Yeah.
Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise.
That one, the Birds of Paradise palette. And I am going to let Ed do his thing. So, wish us luck, guys. Look how hard he's concentrating. Oh god. Oh god.
Getting purpler. More purple.
Purpler. I want to be purpler.
Okay.
How are we feeling about that?
So far so good.
So far so good, guys. You heard it here first.
Right. I'm going to do a cut crease now. Got the faithful concealer again.
Yes. Cut crease. Okay, so what's the next step, boss?
Now we are going to put on that blue. We are going to bin this McCall.
McCall? Caca!
Right. Close.
Yes. She is beauty, she is grace. Welcome back, guys. This is the look so far. The glamour, the beauty. We're ready for lashes. He has glue. Okay, how come I know the inner corner is a bit janky, but how come you can get my fake lashes on quicker than I can?
Talent?
Done?
I guess.
What? I'm annoyed that this man can put fucking lashes on better than I can. Have you ever done that before?
When would I have done that before?
Guys, what? I think I need to retire.
I'd have gone control.
Don't make me laugh.
There's a lot of lip liner at the bottom.
Looks like I have a cold sore. So, that's the finished look, guys. Would you still date me if I'd look like this when we first met?
I'd think about it.
So, we hope you've enjoyed this video. We've had lots of fun making it. If this one does quite well, maybe Ed will make a few cameo appearances in some later videos. I would love to do makeup on him blindfolded, so if you think that's a good idea, please like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Goodbye.
Love ya!